Hello everyone and welcome to our step-by-step training of our new Artisan Rater. Once you log in to Delta Direct, you'll click on Artisan and Contractors, the Artisan Rater. And this is what you'll see. You'll click Create New Artisan Quote. And then you'll enter in your proposed effective date, the name of the applicant, and this is where you select your class codes. You click on this orange box. You can select up to 5 class codes. You're able to type in either the class code number or the class description, and it will come up for you. On the right, it asks for the percent of work. This percentage must add up to 100%. It will not let you move forward if it doesn't. You'll select your limits, your location zip code, enter in your annual receipts, your number of owners, enter your employee payroll, if you have any 1099 uninsured subcontractors, enter your number here. If you don't have any, you can enter 0. The same for the subcontractor cost, and you want to include labor and materials. Here's the box to select additional insured. You can select up to 5 additional insureds, blanket additional insured, or a named AI and blanket wording. I'm going to select 1 additional insured. You can select 1 waiver of subrogation and 1 primary non-contributory. It's going to ask for the years in business, years of experience, and the number of losses in the past 3 years. You can accept or reject TRIA, and then you can also select a bonus fee up to $100 and click Rate It. Here we'll have our 3 carriers that we're rating with right now: ACIC, Atlantic Casualty, Hallmark, and Nautilus. So it gives you the base premium, the additional insured, the cost if there is any, the waiver of subrogation and primary non-contributory. If you didn't select it, it'll say NA. Your TRIA is either rejected or accepted, and then your total premium. Select the one you like the best. I'm going to choose Hallmark. And here is your indication. All your information is on this page. At this point, if you want to leave, you can hit Save and Close. Otherwise, you can print the indication or print the indication without showing your commission on this line. Otherwise, you can proceed to the underwriting questions. Answer yes or no to all of these questions. If you answer yes to any of them, it will be a submit to your underwriter. Once you answer no to all of them, it will open up to more information. You may click individual, partnership, corporation, LLC, or other. It's important to note that if it has red on the left side of the box, it is required. Enter in your address. If the mailing address is different from the physical address, you can click this box and enter in your mailing address. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. You can put your contact name in. Oops. And your contact phone number. and that will be used for inspections. If you have an email address or an alternate phone number that you want to give, you can also do that. In this box, you need to give the new construction and renovation work percentages. All 6 boxes need to add up to 100%. Percentage of work performed, and the sum of all 3 fields must equal 100%. If you do more than 25% for a GC, it will tell you that it's too high. The maximum is 25%. Percentage of work performed. If you selected additional insured, it will ask you for the additional insured name. And the relationship. If you have a prior carrier, enter their information here. If you do not, you can enter none. And then answer the question about cancel, decline, refuse coverage during the past 3 years, and any explanation you can give here. You can click proceed to firm quote, and here's your artisan quote. It looks very similar to your indication. At this point, you put in your full name. Once you submit to your underwriter, you will get an email with the quote, endorsements, the TRIA form, finance note, ACH form, and the artisan application. An underwriter will also get an email asking them for approval. Once they approve the quote, you will receive a binder and an invoice.